All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a special First Bell edition. Let's give it up for First Bell. What's up, First Bell? Terrible. Just terrible. All right, hey, this is just great algebra practice, and it absolutely is on your test, okay? And the directions say to find the ratio of x to y. What's another word for ratio? Fraction. So what it really means is at the end, you should have x over y equals, okay? The strategy for these is get all the x's on one side, get all the y's on one side, factor, and then divide. So, let's rewrite this as ex plus gx equals hy, and just prove to me that you know what you're doing. What's going to be the last thing? Plus fy. I'm going to pause the video real quick. Very good. No wonder you're confused. It's because I'm an idiot. Is that better? So what did I do? I subtracted gx and I added fy. Okay, so far so good? All right, so now I have successfully put all my x's on one side and all my y's on the other side. So now the next thing is to factor. Factoring is like undistributing, okay? So both of these have an x. What do we have left? Both of these have a y. What do we have left? All right. Now this is where people get so intimidated, and they shouldn't. Just do it one step at a time and ask yourself, how do I get rid of this? What's the opposite of this? So I want the y to be down here, right? So over here, y is being multiplied. So how do I bring the y down here? I just divide each side by y. Okay? What's y divided by y? It's 1. That's what allows me to cross that out, because 1 times h plus f is simply h plus f. Am I allowed to multiply and divide numbers in any order I want? Yes, I am. That's an important thing. That's why you learn those properties. Meaning, is 5 divided by 2 times 4 the same thing as 5 times 4 divided by 2? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay? All right, so what I did there is I essentially just took this e minus g and I moved it off of the top. Instead of dividing and then multiplying, you understand what I did there? So now, I want to get rid of what? E minus g. What is the e minus g doing to our answer? And how do we get rid of multiplication? You just divide it. And so then you get x over y is h plus f over e minus g. Got it? Can I get a boom? It's not even going to show up. Boom!